in this wide squat position, toes pointing forwards, knees out if we can. Now we can tend to be in a bit of a back arch position here, so in this particular emphasis I want a pelvic tilt, so we're tucking the tailbone underneath. I'll show you from the side. So we tend to default to this position. I want here is a pelvic tilt. Hold that position. You should feel an increase in the tension through the adductors on the inside of the groin. Obviously it's working the thighs too, and the glutes. You're just pushing out with the knees, under with the bum. Come out, relax. Down, push the knees out over the feet, bum underneath, hold. And you can build how long you hold that, from starting 10 seconds up to 30 seconds. I wouldn't do much more than 30 seconds. Better to just repeat, I think.